Jeanette in Bronx, New York. You're on the air with Congressman Khanna.
Hi, Congressman. I just wanted to say I used to be a resident of Cupertino.
Oh, wow.
That was long before your time. But I'm calling with, my peace group, the War and Law League, warandlaw.org, has put together a resolution to preserve the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty, the INF Treaty. And we are very concerned that the President and his gang of thugs has unconstitutionally suspended with the intent of abrogating and destroying the INF Treaty that was signed into law by the Senate and by Gorbachev and Reagan. And we have put together a very detailed, a really good, concise, but detailed resolution that we are hoping that you might want to introduce. You have been so bold in your activities on Yemen, and you are so well placed in your committee assignments, as well as having the ear of many progressives. I'm afraid that my generation, which grew up with duck and cover, is and our alertness to the nuclear threat, it seems to be dying out, and there's a complacency about it. Young people seem to have grown up with explosive video games and ideas of, mushroom clouds being normal. And even now, the development of these mini nukes that are more usable. I mean, this is an atrocity. And I think that, the first thing on people's radar, which should be, along with climate change, should be having a planet to have, a climate discussion on. So we're hoping that you will look at this. My group has been in touch with your office. We've actually even tried to speak with your foreign policy advisors about it, and it can be seen by anybody if you go to warandlaw.org/files. It will open up a House resolution. There is also a Senate resolution there, and you can fix it up or change it in any way you want. But I'm very, very, very concerned that the INF Treaty, which has stood as a wall against nuclear
Jeanette,
annihilation.
let's let the Congressman get a word in here. Congressman?
Well, Jeanette, thank you for your work. I mean, as you know, the doomsday clock, which measures the risk of a nuclear confrontation, continues to tick towards midnight, and we have been at greater risk than we have been since even times during the Cold War. And Lee Aspen and others have spoken about the risk. So I really admire your work in trying to raise this issue. Louis Frankel has led a letter in Congress that I support to make it clear that we should be part of the INF and that we should be engaged in diplomacy with Russia and China. This is even more urgent with Putin recently talking about threats to the United States with hypersonic weapons and escalating these tensions. I'm happy to look at your resolution if you send it again to my office, and I'll have a look at your website. And if there's a way that resolution goes further than what Louis Frankel is doing, I'm happy to be supportive. But I share your principle that we need to be part of the INF and can't be reneging on these commitments.